Welcome to our today's feature presentation, The Power of Trading the Right Hour. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Thomas Barman, and I'm the inventor and owner of Neverless Trading, which is a division of Novell Living LLC. And I want to make you aware of the risk in trading, and also want to give you an idea that what we show here is we are not acting as broker dealers or financial advisors, and past performance cannot always be taken indicative of future results. So with that said, let us dive into the details of our system. The power of the right hour. Based on history, the number 12 has a high importance in human life. However, in the last 2 centuries, basically, we started to focus on the decimal system and consider that everything works 24/7. And we want to help you bringing all that together in today's presentation. Yeah? How do we do that? When you cut your trading day into 2-hour increments, you divide the day into 12 trading opportunities for 6 days a week. Why 6 days a week? Because futures and Forex, they start the market on Sunday and they close on Friday. So 6 trading days consecutive, we have the opportunity to participate in. This makes the 2-hour chart an attractive chart because now you have 12 opportunities on a 24-hour day to participate in directional trades. And also, from our experience, 2 hours is a strong signal to noise area. What does it mean? A signal is a happening that you want to look at. Noise is a random happening you don't want to follow. And we show you how we help you to translate that action with the help of strong trading systems into opportunities you can participate in with high probability. What you see here is the E-mini Nasdaq futures, and on the chart you see a 2-hour time frame. Yeah, so every bar here or every candle is for 2 hours, and then you see how our system works. Yeah, all of our systems, they spell out price thresholds. Yeah, so it says if the price of the Nasdaq E-mini future goes below 4,825.50 cents, then we'll trade, and we'll trade all the way to our target. Yeah, and we expect to get there in 5 bars, maximum 10 bars, and then we did it again here. Yeah, so okay, and yeah, so then you have a clear perspective where you enter a trade and also where you exit a trade. And with the help of the system, I'll highlight it over here, every bar which has an entry signal also has a red bar which gives you a stop. And this bottom indicator tells you who's in charge. When sellers are in charge, like here, yeah, then the bars turn red and you see the handover from one to the other in that balance of power indicator that we developed. Yeah, so here's a short environment, and we make a short wave to the upside where buyers come in, but no signal with confirmation. Then we have a sell wave again. Yeah, so these wave patterns are also simulated on the way up down here by the trend forming study on the background, and this will help you as a trader to identify opportunities and also to take them on the way down and on the way up by clearly spelled out price thresholds. In addition, we support you up here with our indications of SPOO, trend, target, stop, and an appraisal of the odds. Is it favorable trade side up or not? The first measure up here, the SPOO, yeah, we call speed unit. That's the expected price move after institutional engagement is detected. So that tells you here the following. You're expecting about 11-point price move. Yeah, so that's good. At the last bar here on the chart, and it goes bar by bar because it always measures what's happening. That would be an 0.3% price move. But now you know 11 points times $20, it's a $220 price move in value that you expect. So then you have a trend measure. Yeah, the trend is blue, so it goes to the upside. Right now that measures this part, but the trend is weak because it measures as a factor of 20 it's weak, 30 it's strong, and then it also counts the candles. So it says how many up candles did we have based on our algorithm. So it's candle number 6, which is good because at candle number 5, always highlighted here in that, we expect the price to either reverse or break out. And you see here now how these patterns are. So you see here after candle 5 something is happening, after candle 5 something is happening. It's not the count of the candle like you would count it, it's the count of the candle of our algorithm. So we give you all of that as a hint for targeting your trade, and then we help you with the target, the stop, and an appraisal of the odds. That should be something helping you as a trader to get a very different perspective for all what is possible. And when we say for all what is possible, let us look at the chart, how many winners and how many losers we had following that system. To do so, we let the system do a quick appraisal of every situation, and you see here, okay, we have winners, but also we have a loss because we take the trades mechanically. You will also learn in our mentorship how not to take them always mechanically, because we give you a pattern to follow, but you know, two winners and a loss. A win, four winners and a loss and a winner. So what do you have here? You have you have 10 trades, 7 were winning, 2 were losing. So how does that all add up in a balance sheet? Yeah, 10 trades in 7 days. That's pretty good as an opportunity. It's just for one instrument looking at 7 winners, so a 70% attainment rate. Everyone making about $300 and 3 losses with $800 loss. Sorry, that's a $1,300 return on a give or take $4,000 maintenance margin that's required. That's a 33% return on your cash, or your margin in your account. So that's pretty solid. Let us take another opportunity and see if that also works for stocks. What you see here is a chart for Tesla, and again, our 2-hour chart because we like it. That's not the only one we use, but I just want to introduce you to something different where signal to noise is pretty strong. Yeah, so you have here your trading opportunity and came right where? Right at bar number 5 of our algorithm. And what's happening after bar number 5? Haltering, breakout or breakdown. Bang, we have the breakdown, and wonderful, nice breakdown in that next candle because after 2 candles our bar wasn't reached, and so then nice gap down, and we capture this and produce a profit over it. But how did it go on? How many profitable trades in a row were we able to produce with the system, and how did it pan out at the end of the day? How much money did we make? Because we want to trade for making money. Yeah? And when we measure this, you see here we have 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, 4 winners, 5 winners. Wow, substantial. But how far do we move? So you see here on the last bar, our average price move was $2, but we added up here all the individual price moves, and 5 trades in 9 days. 5 winners, we would have made a total of $18 of price move that we could capture, and that would be a 9% return on cash or an 18% return on overnight margin. Yes, just in 9 days, so substantial, giving you the hint why we call that high probability trading. Why does this work? Why does this work? So when you see our systems, they help you to spot and follow institutional money moves. That's all in the background. I want to not dive into that in depth today. But we understand that prices fluctuate, and so therefore you see we are trading smaller price increments and go in and out. With that, we also reduce our risk, and we have a clear perspective to only trade at favorable setups, and we do it multiple times. But 9 trades or 5 trades in 9 days, like you've seen it before, this is pretty good, and all came to target following our system because we are looking at the underlying structure of the market at level 2 with the help of our algorithms. Those paint those bars, those measure those bars in increments, counting down and giving you clear hints. Where do you stand in the price pattern? Where do you want to enter? And then you don't have to take all these trades that mechanically as I showed you. You have the advantage to praise the situation in detail, if it's a stock, if it's an option opportunity, a future, or a currency. By spotting and following institutional money moves, we call our system an activity-based trading system. Yeah, because what we do has nothing to do with the common assumption of mathematical models that prices, for example, reverse to the mean. No, they don't do that. Their moving average breakouts can be traded. No, yeah, the 50-50 chance. And there's a certain wave pattern that can be followed from the A, B, C and the 1, 2, 3 wave. That all didn't pan out because it was there. Had it worked, we had no need to develop something new, which we here share now with you and give you the opportunity to participate in. That's now a chart from a student, just came in this morning, where we taught the pattern. And you see here, the yeses is the feedback from us, where we had the student appraising different situation, giving us a feedback, and then going through that. Yes, the up, down, this is what happens. So we help you in the way of teaching the system that you understand it right and that you can capture it long term and that you can apply it. How does learning our systems work? It's always one-on-one. You will not be in a class with a lot of people of different interests. You will be in a one-on-one focus at your best available times, and we focus on your specific wants and needs. If you want to learn how to trade certain specific time frames, certain specific assets, we'll consider that, or we help you to build a portfolio of opportunities, which we encourage you to do anyhow, because in all of our systems, we work together with you for building a business plan for your trading success that contains a financial plan and also an action plan that you know what to do and when. And every time we do a session recording that you then afterwards receive, so that you can go through the learned again, allowing you to learn until it sticks. And from there you go on to the next session. To enter the world of high probability trading, schedule a personal consultation and challenge us with time frames and assets, and we'll go like we did it in here and count up the good trades and count up the bad trades, and you will see how high probability trading works. To do so, let us know the time zone you are based off and give us a ring at 866-455-4520 or contact at neverlosttrading.com. By teaching one-on-one, spots are always limited, so don't miss out. Enter the world of high probability trading. We are ready for you. Bye-bye.